Hello children, in this video we will learn word problem of exercise 3.3 B6. This is the last word problem of this exercise. Before this you have watched and learnt, I hope, this all the word problem from this exercise. Let us see how the question is. 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 years that of his son, and 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? Randomly if we read question we will have lot of doubt, or sometimes we will not know meaning what question is telling, but simple it is. Let us try to understand this age problem. We all have age. Just think once, if at present somebody's age is 20 years, 5 years back what was his age? All will say what? 15 years. But how that comes? Surely some years ago age was less and some year after age will be more. That means when we talk about before, from present, ago the age was less, we will go for subtracting. Now is 20 years, 5 years back, 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5 we are doing, then only 15. So we are knowing percentage is 20, that is why we did 5 years back 20 minus 15. If we don't know the percentage, that means that is unknown to us. So here are two persons, Jacob and his son, their percentage are unknown to us. And when we talk about later, 5 years later or 5 years after, this year if 20, after 5 years will be 20 plus 5. But if this year is not known, age is, present age is what? Then x plus 5. 5 years back x minus 5. There are two persons, we will consider one person age x, another person age y. Who are that persons here? One is Jacob. So let Jacob's present age, Jacob's present age be x years, and then his son's present age, son's present age be y years. So these two things are unknown, we have to find out. Now question is talking about, I also talked with you giving an example of 20 years, 5 years back and 5 years later. Here question is telling 5 years hence, hence mean 5 years after. So what will be happening from the first condition? The question is saying 5 years hence or 5 years after, their age will remain x or something will happen to their age. Age will increase after 5 years. So 5 years hence Jacob's age will be, Jacob's age will be x plus 5 years. So only Jacob's age will increase 5 years, or everybody's age? Everybody's age will increase. So his son age, present age is 5 years, y years. So son's age will be y plus 5 years. But these two ages are in relation. What is the relation? This is here. Jacob age or age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So let us go. First part, the age of Jacob. What is age of Jacob? X plus 5. So we go for, as per the question, how the question is saying. As per the question, Jacob's age. Jacob's age is how? Will be what? X plus 5. Will be equal 3 times, that means 3 into that of his son, means son's age. Son's age is y plus 5. Very simple. When we were reading question we were thinking how we will do this question, but once we got the what are the two unknown things, then what happens to the ages of people some years after, some year before? We did that work, and then the question is giving that the age of that both person are in this relation. Jacob age will be equal to 3 into sun's age, and we put this in equation and then we simplify it. X plus 5 is equal to 3 into y plus 3 into 5, 15. We want to make it equation, so x 3y we bring here, it will become minus 3y, 15, 5 comes from LHS, goes in minus, so we get equation 1, x minus 3y is equal to 5 minus 10, 15. No doubt this is equation 1. So first part of the question says what we did. The second part is 5 years ago, that means now we are talking about past. 5 years ago, surely people had less age, present age whatever may be, some years ago age was less. Some years ago age was less, 5 years ago age was 5 years less, 10 years ago age was 10 years less. So question is here telling 5 years ago from second condition. Five years ago. Jacob's age was less. How many years less? 5 years less. So now his present age is x, so 5 years back his age was x minus 5 years. So son also was less, no? Son is present age, son's present age is y years. So son's age was 5 years ago, y minus 5, whatever is present age, it will be less that many years. And again question is saying these two ages were in relation. What is that relation as per the question? 5 years ago these were their ages. Jacob's age was, so Jacob's age was what? X minus 5. It was equal to 7 times that of his son's age, 7 times of his son, that means 7 into son's age, 7 into y minus 5. We will simplify. X minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 7 5s are 35. Here we will not bring y because we are solving the equation by substitution method. We need substitute. For x we will get substitute, so only x is equal to only 5 we will send in RHS, 7y minus 35 minus 5 will come here, become plus. Finally we get x is equal to 7y minus 30, equation 2, and this is substitute itself. We will substitute in equation 1, substituting x equal to 7y minus 30 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x minus 3y equal to 10. X we have 7y minus 30. So 7y minus 30. This is x. Again minus 3y is equal to 10. We can simplify 7y minus 3y, we will get 4y is equal to 10. 30 will go in RHS, plus 30 it will be. And then 4 also we take in RHS, 30 plus 1 40, 40 by 4, 4 1s are 4, 10s are 40. So y is 10, that means son was 10 years, son's percentage is 10 years, still Jacob's percentage we need. So x we have got, no, x is Jacob's age, and x is equal to 7y, y is 10 minus 30. So what we get? 70 minus 30, 40. So Jacob was 40 years and son was 10 years. We can write in word Jacob's present age, Jacob's present age is equal to 40 years and son's present age is 10 years. We have done it, and then for just for few seconds we will do revision verification work. Question is telling 5 years hence Jacob's age will be 3 times that of his son. Jacob's age is present age 40, son's present age is 10. 5 years hence, that means plus 5. So, 40 plus 5. Son's age will be 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5, 15, and Jacob will be 45 years age. And question is what telling? The age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. That means 3 into 15 is really 45. So, first condition is fulfilled. Let us see now 5 years ago. When we talk about ago, that means Jacob was how many years? 35 years. And son was how many years? 10 minus 5, 5 years. And question is what telling? 5 years ago, whatever were the ages of those two people, Jacob was 7 times that of his son. That means if we multiply with 7 son's age, it will be equal to Jacob's age. 7 5s are 35. So, this way we can verify. It takes few seconds only. Hope you have learned how to convert the linear equation into statement into linear equation into variable form, and then solve it using substitution method. Next exercise, again I will be bringing new videos for you. Convert the statement into linear equation form and then solve it by elimination method. Learn it before that, the substitution method, and see you in next video with new solutions.